Hello, everyone. Welcome to Insights Unboxed, where we delve deep into life's most intriguing mysteries and everyday wonders. I'm your host, Bharti Bhaskaran, a career coach dedicated to helping fresh graduates uncover their true potential and align their career paths with their personal strengths. So, today we are exploring a topic that affects every single one of us, our circadian rhythm and the two major chronotypes, night owls and early birds. But first, let's break the cycle of confusion and frustration many of us face daily. Have you ever wondered why you feel so alive and productive at certain times of the day and utterly drained at others? Or why waking up early for that 9 to 5 job feels like a torture while others seem to thrive at the crack of the dawn? This constant battle against the clock can leave us feeling exhausted, unproductive, and even guilty for not fitting into the norm. Today, we break free from that cycle. Let's start by understanding the concept of circadian rhythm. A circadian rhythm is our internal body clock. Please understand it has nothing to do with the outside clock. A natural internal process that regulates the sleep wake cycle and repeats roughly every 24 hours. It's influenced by external cues like light and temperature, helping to align our biological functions with the environment. But within this rhythm, people can have different chronotypes, essentially, personal time zones that dictate when we feel most alert and productive. First, we have the early birds. These are the individuals who wake up easily at the crack of a dawn, feeling energetic and ready to take on that day. They are most productive in the morning, their bodies naturally winding down as the evening approaches. For early birds, traditional work and school schedules align perfectly with their internal clocks, allowing them to thrive. On the other hand, we have the night owls. These are the folks who come alive in the late afternoon and evening. They find their peak productivity and creativity after sunset, often struggling with early morning obligations. Night owls' natural rhythms make them more suited for tasks that require evening or late night focus, but they often face challenges fitting into a world structured around early bird schedules. The problem arises when we try to force our natural chronotypes to conform to schedules that don't match our internal clocks. Early birds may find it easy to wake up and start the day, but they may struggle to stay alert and focused in the evening. Night owls, meanwhile, may feel sluggish and unproductive in the morning, leading to a constant battle against their own biology. So, what can we do? The first step is understanding and embracing your chronotype. If you're an early bird, structure your day to capitalize on your morning energy. Schedule important tasks and meetings in the morning and allow yourself to wind down in the evening. For night owls, try to find flexibility in your schedule that allows you to start your day later and work into the evening when you feel most productive. So, recognizing and working with your chronotype can significantly improve your productivity, health, and overall well being. Instead of fighting against your natural rhythms, align your activities with them. This might mean advocating for flexible work hours, creating a conducive sleep environment, and managing light exposure to support your internal clock. So, as we wrap up today's episode, I challenge you to reflect on your own routines. Are you honoring your natural chronotype, or are you constantly fighting against it? Take the time to understand your body's signals and make small adjustments to better align with your internal rhythm. By doing so, you can unlock greater productivity and well being. Well, thank you for joining me on this journey to understand our circadian rhythms and chronotypes. While the Concepts of night owl and early bird are the most well known. There are actually several other chronotypes that have been identified to reflect the diversity of human sleep patterns. In addition to the traditional two, researchers have identified different chronotypes based on variation in sleep-wake preferences. One of the most comprehensive models is proposed by Dr. Michael, who categorizes people into four main chronotypes, often referred to as the sleep chronotypes. If you want to know more about this, join my course and also find out which chronotype you fall into. Well, if you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe, share it with your friends, and leave a review. And remember, it's never too late to find your rhythm and make it work for you. Until next time, stay curious and keep reflecting. And this has been Insights Unboxed with Bharti Bhaskaran. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and leave a review, and embrace your rhythm and live your best life. Bye bye.